Good evening, online children.
Good evening,
boys.
ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, girls. Yeah, just help me find out where we stopped in the last class. What was the last question we did? We were doing with splitting the middle term, factorizing by splitting the middle term. Which one? Read that expression. Read the expression now.
4x square minus 8x plus
4x squared. Fifth one. Oh, this one, huh? Oh, very good. Okay. We've worked till here? Till 7. Okay. So I'd asked you to complete till the 8th one. Okay, okay. So you have finished till the 5th one and you completed till the. Okay, fine. Let's continue. Yeah. Yeah, I can see it. Yes. All right. Continuing with the factorizing expressions using identities. All right. So in this expression, we see that the first term 121b squared is a perfect square. It can be written as 11b the whole square. 16c squared is also a perfect square, which can be written as 4c the whole squared. All right. So we'll try to factorize this by using the identity a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, because this is a squared, this is b squared, and this is like minus 2ab. So we'll try to factorize this using the identity a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, which is a minus b the whole squared. Okay. So you see here. Correct. I've just used empty brackets first. You can fill in the spaces here itself. You don't have to show the empty brackets and then, write this in the next step. You can directly write this. So check the middle term. Check the middle term. 2 into 11, 22. 22 into 4, 88. 88 BC. Yes, perfect. 88 BC. You're getting the middle term. See, 11b the whole squared is 121b squared. 4c the whole squared is 16c squared. All right. Now we need to check the middle term. Minus 2ab. So minus, okay, 2 into 11, 22 into 4, 88, minus 88 BC. Yes. So this expression is perfectly of the form a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Or I've written here x squared minus 2xy plus y squared, which can be factorized as x minus y the whole square, where x is 11b and y is 4c. So it is 11b minus 4c the whole square. Correct? Yeah, if we have not completed this, please take it down. This is over. All right. Completed this one? Online children?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Okay. So then this is the next one. So here you can expand this expression, right? L plus m the whole square. You can expand it. So L plus m the whole square is like a plus b the whole square, which is a squared, L squared, plus 2 into a into b, 2 into L into m, 2lm plus m squared. And then this minus 4lm as it is. So now these are like terms. These are like terms. Minus 4lm plus 2lm is minus 2lm. First expand this using the identity a plus b the whole square. Expand this so you get these three terms. And this minus 4lm as it is. Now these two are like terms. So simplify. So you get minus 2lm, not 21. That is L. So minus 2lm. Now this is of the form a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So present it in that form. And then factorize using that identity, you get L minus M the whole square. This is over? Yeah, please take this down. Done? Okay. Completed writing, online children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
All right. Yeah, so then. Yeah, see this? So again, we have three terms. And the first and the last terms, they are perfect squares. All right. So we'll try to present this in the form x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. Correct? Correct? Then 2 into a squared into b squared. Correct, no? You're getting the middle term. So this is nothing but a squared plus b squared, the whole square. A squared plus b squared, the whole square. Okay. Right on. This one is just for me to teach. You don't have to write this. You can start with the step. Yeah. Yeah. Now, the first few expressions here, from the first to the fourth, they have only two terms, right? Only two terms. So which is that identity which has two terms on either sides? A squared minus B squared. Okay. So A squared minus B squared is often called the difference between two squares. Difference because minus and two squares, A squared, B squared. A squared minus B squared is difference between two squares. And how do you factorize an expression which looks like a difference between two squares? How do we factorize an expression which looks like a difference between two squares? So we know the identity. A squared minus B squared is equal to A plus B into A minus B. This is how we factorize it. The factors of an expression of the form A squared minus B squared are A plus B and A minus B. So what do? 4p squared minus 9q squared. You need to first show that it's of the form A the whole squared minus B the whole squared. All right? 1 second, let's go. A squared minus B squared. All right? So it's going to be 2p and 3q. 2p the whole squared minus 3q the whole squared. A squared minus B squared. So this is A plus B, 2p plus 3q into A minus B, 2p minus 3q. Correct? Yeah. You can try the first four. And you also know that whenever there's a common factor, you need to first take out the common factor and then factorize using the identity. Try to do the first four. 1 second. Okay, start from here. Questions. Very basic paper that try to. Try to question. Okay. Yeah, this is the next one. Do this. Completed? Yeah. Yeah, so what is different between, what's the difference between the first one and the second one?
Salt.
Yeah, so here the two terms have a common factor. You need to first take out the common factor and then apply the identity. In the first one, we straight away applied the identity because there was nothing common between 4p square and 9q square. 4, 9, HCF is 1 and p squared, q squared, nothing common. Okay, so we directly apply the identity. Whereas in the second one, 63 and 112, the HCF of 63 and 112 is 7. So you need to first take out the common factor, which is the HCF. So 7 into 9a squared is 63a squared and 7 into 16b squared is 112b squared. Now, see, this is not a square. This is a square. See, the common mistake is, okay, 9a squared minus 16b squared. So 9a plus 16b into 9a minus 16b. This is wrong because 9a squared, in 9a squared, 9a is not a. You must write it as a perfect square, which means something the whole square. So 9a squared is 3a into 3a, 3a the whole square. 3a into 3a is 9a squared. So 9a squared is 3a the whole square minus 16b squared is 4b the whole square. 4b into 4b is 16b squared. So your a is, or your x is 3a and your y is 4b. So the final answer is 7 into 3a plus 4b into 3a minus 4b. Completed, Alfie? Yeah. This is the next one. 49 and 36 have nothing in common, meaning the HCF is 1. So you can straight away apply the identity. Do this. Completed. Okay, the next one. Yeah, do this by yourself. The two terms have something in common. One. Take out the common factor and then apply the identity. Yeah, Akshita, what is the HCF of these two terms? For anybody online? Hasini, Sahasra? What is the HCF of 16 and 144?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
4 and 12.
No, HCF is one number. 4 and 12, I don't understand. How do you find the HCF of two numbers? Like this. 16, 144, 2, 8 are 72, 2, 4, 36, 2, 18. And we stop here, right? Because, yeah. You tell me. No, tell me, I'll do it again. 2, you should use only prime numbers. 2 8s are 16, 2 72 times is 144. And again, 2 4s are 8, 2 36 times 72. 2 2s are 4, 2 18 times 36, 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18. All right, now you don't continue because both the numbers should be divisible by the same prime number. So you stop here. The product of these numbers, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 4 for the 16. 16 is the HCF of 16 and 144. And what about the HCF of x to the power 5 and x to the power 3? X to the power 3, the least power is common, meaning is the HCF. So in all, the HCF of these two terms is 16 x to the power 3. The HCF of these two numbers is 16 and the HCF of x to the power 5 and x to the power 3 is x to the power 3. So put both of them together. This is the HCF of the two terms in this expression. Open bracket, x squared, because x cubed into x squared, 3 plus 2, 5, you get the first term, minus 16, 9 times 144. I have already x cubed there, close it. So 16x cubed, we have nothing to do with this. In the bracket, something the whole squared minus something the whole squared. It should be like this. Something the whole squared minus something the whole squared. So fill. X the whole square is x squared minus 3 the whole squared is 9. So 16x cubed x plus 3 into x minus 3 because it's of the form a squared minus b squared. So a plus b into a minus b. Next one. So if we look at this as x squared minus y squared, if we look at this expression as x squared minus y squared, then what is x?
L plus M.
L plus m. Okay, see here, x. This is x squared minus this is y squared. So x is L plus m and y is L minus m, correct? So now this is of the form a squared minus b squared. which is a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b, see, this is a, okay, I said x, no? So this is x plus y, x plus y into x minus y. The given expression is of the form x squared minus y squared. So its factors are x plus y and x minus y. This is x plus y into x minus y. Next step, L plus m plus L minus m, L plus m minus L minus into minus plus m. So plus m minus m cancels. So you get 2L here. And here plus L minus L cancels into 2m. So it is 4LM. 4LM. Yeah, please back.
Next fraction, convert that into a function. And then find the square root of the numerator, square root of the denominator. That's it. So then we end up and write the next fraction. What is the whole idea of finding the square root of the numerator? No prime factor will put every factor will put the part to get rid of the square root symbol. And the value for you basically the square root symbol in the so total 6 now, 76. So over 6 voting only. 8 to the power 8 now. 8 A circle. Vector A value. 8 to the power 4. It's factor of the polynomial. Usually 289 and 10 becomes 100, 20 to 20 is 400. Other value than 10 tens are 100, 20 20s are 400. About 289 now. 10 to 20, 13, 3 3s are 9, 11, 17, 7 7 are 40. So it's right. Yeah.
Right? So this is a squared minus b, this is b squared or x squared minus y squared, whatever we call it, okay? So this is a, this one is a, and this one is b. So a squared minus b squared is a plus b. So you can see here a plus b into a minus b. Open the brackets now. Here, be careful, minus L plus n. Then in the brackets, these two terms and these two terms gets cancelled. L plus L, 1L plus 1L is 2L. And here 1M plus 1M is 2M. So it's 2L into 2M, 2 2s are 4, LM, 4LM. Simple, but Please work this film.
Can we work with it?
Yeah. Completed? Online children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now what is x squared minus 2xy plus y squared? X minus y the whole square. Correct? Minus z squared. X squared minus 2xy plus y squared is x minus y the whole squared minus z squared. So what is a here? This is of the form a squared minus b squared, right? This is a. This is a. X minus y is a. And what's b? Z. Yeah, this is x minus y the whole squared minus z the whole squared. So this is a. This one is b. So a is x minus y and b is z. So how do you factorize it? A plus b into a minus b. This is a plus b into, this is a minus b. This is a plus b, a minus b. All right? Yeah. Yeah. Tell me, we'll do it together now.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, x squared minus 1 plus y squared is equal to x minus y.
Yeah, so first you'll have to write x squared minus 2xy plus y squared as x minus y the whole square. Then minus z square as z the whole square. Now this is of the form a squared minus b squared.
A plus B.
So see, if you a squared, just take off the square. This is a. Take off the square. This is b. So a is x minus y and b is z. A is x minus y and b is z. A squared minus b squared is a plus b. Write a first. This is a plus b. This is b into a. This is a minus b. So here, no. So here you can see we have three perfect squares. Can you see? 25a square is a perfect square. This one is a perfect square. This one is also a perfect square. This is 5a into 5a. This is 5a into 5a. This is 2b into 2b. And this is 7c into 7c. Correct? Okay. We have three perfect squares. What about this term? 28bc. So here, what you have to do is, you should treat this like a middle term, 28bc. So this term has b and c, right? So you should take this term along with this b square term and the c square term because it has bc in it, right? That's the clue. So take this term, group this with a term that has b square and c square. So the first step is like this. 25. So these three form a group. Which three? These three form a group. Okay. Because of 28bc, this b square and c square, they make a group with 28bc. Okay. So now the last three terms make a group. bc, b square term, c square term. Now the first step will be 25a squared. If they make a group, they should be in a bracket. They shouldn't be, like loose like this. If they make a group, you should put them in a bracket. So now 25a squared. What is the sign after 25a squared? Minus. Take the same sign. Open a bracket. Okay. So minus 4b squared. Minus into what is plus? You should get plus 28bc. So minus into minus is plus and 28bc. Now minus into what is minus? Plus is minus 49c squared. See, we are not taking out the HCF. The HCF is 1. 4b squared, 28bc, 49c squared. What is the common factor? What is common between all three? Nothing, meaning 1 is the HCF. We are not taking out the HCF. We're just trying to write those three terms in a bracket because they make a group. If they make a group, they must be in a bracket. I'll do that again. 25a squared alone. After 25a squared, the sign is minus. So you have to take that sign, open a bracket, minus into what will give you that first term, minus 4b squared. 4b squared. Then minus into minus is plus 28bc. Minus into plus is minus 49c squared. So what do we observe? When there's a minus sign, outside the bracket, when there's a minus sign, you should write every term with its opposite sign. Every term with its opposite sign. So minus 4b squared. In the bracket, it is plus 4b squared. Plus 28bc. In the bracket, it is minus 28bc. Minus 49c squared. In the bracket, it is plus 49c squared. So when you take out minus, when there's a minus sign outside the bracket, you must write every term inside the bracket with its opposite sign. Supposing there was a plus sign outside the bracket, you will be writing the terms with the same sign. If there's a plus sign outside the bracket, we'll be writing the terms with the same sign. Minus, so the terms will come inside the bracket with their opposite signs. This is the first step. Next, 25a squared can be written as 5a the whole square minus square bracket. Inside the square bracket, okay. Now, who will come inside the first bracket? 2b, because 2b into 2b is 4b squared. Who will come in here? 7c, because 7c into 7c is 49c squared. So then what should you fill here? 2 into, why 2 into? 2 into is because in the identity it is 2 into. So 2 into, 2 is not from here, 2 is from the identity. 2 into 2b into 7c. Now after writing this, you should check if this product is equal to this. So 2 to the 4, 4 7 the 28 BC, 27 BC. Now if you see here, this one is nothing but this. This one is nothing but this. This one is nothing but this. We've just written the same terms in a different way to suit the identity. So now in this step, these three terms in the square bracket are of the form a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. A squared minus 2ab plus b squared. The first one as it is, 5a the whole square as it is, minus. So a squared minus 2ab plus b squared can be written as a minus b the whole squared. A, this is a, minus from the identity, not this minus sign. A squared minus 2ab plus b squared is a minus b the whole square from the identity, a minus b the whole square. Now it's further of the form x squared minus y squared. See here, x squared minus y squared, where x is 5a and y is 2b minus 7c. This is further of the form x the whole square, where x is 5a and y the whole square, where y is 2b minus 7c. Agree? So a squared minus x squared minus y squared is x plus y, square bracket x. See here, x, this is x, plus y, 2b minus 7c. Y square bracket. See, for x, if there's only one term, and for y, if there's only one term, then see, supposing x is 5a and y is 2b, so you can directly write like this in simple brackets. But here, y itself has two terms. Y itself has two terms. So you'll have to write it like this. Like this, meaning like how? Use a square bracket. X, this is x, plus y has two terms, right? So put that in a bracket. Into x minus y itself has two terms. So put that in a bracket. X plus y has two terms, so in a bracket. So for y, we will be using a simple bracket. That's why we use a square bracket outside. If x had only one term, y also only one term, then a simple bracket is enough, meaning this bracket is enough. We are running away to glory, right? Yeah. If x has only one term, y also has only one term, then simple bracket is enough. Inga y itself has two terms. So other number simple bracket very square bracket. Now this is not the end. Ippo 5a plus, open the simple bracket, plus 2b minus 7c. 5a minus 2b plus 7c. Last step. Open the bracket, open the simple bracket. 5a plus 2b minus 7c. 5a minus 2b minus into minus plus 7c. We'll do it again. We'll do it again. So why do we choose to group the last three terms? Because we see a BC term here. So we group B square, C square, and 28BC. Okay. Now, if they form a group, they must be in a simple bracket. So first step, 25A squared minus because there's a minus after the 25A squared, open a simple bracket. Now, because there's a minus sign before the bracket, all the terms will come with their opposite signs. Opposite signs. This is the first step. In the next step, 5a the whole squared minus, use a square bracket, a squared minus 2 into a into b plus b squared. Fill in the spaces, 2b, 7c. So here 2b into 7c. Check if this gives this product. And yes, it gives. So a squared minus 2ab plus b squared is a minus b whole square. Now this is further of the form x squared minus y squared, where x is 5a, y is 2b minus 7c. Now y itself has two terms, no? So we'll use a square bracket. This is for x plus y, and this is for x minus y. This is for x plus y, and this is for x minus y. Square brackets, because y itself has two terms. Now we'll have to write x here. We're going to write x plus y, x minus y. X, this is x, plus y in bracket like this. Now again x minus y. Again, two terms, so in a simple bracket. Now, the last step is to bring the terms out of the simple brackets. Okay, so simple bracket, 5a plus 2b minus 7c into 5a minus 2b minus into minus plus 7c. All right. What's the heading? Factorize. So how should the final answer look like? Product of factors. Okay, product of factors. So 5a plus 2b minus 7c into 5a minus 2b plus 7c. You can see these two factors here. Yeah. Yeah, please work. Okay. Yeah, how do we factorize this?
Take x and
X common. Correct? Correct? 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay, finish it. I don't think I have all the answers on one slide. Yeah, okay. And I don't have. Yeah. Adding this factorize the expression. Write down this one, children. Completed? Finished? Finished? This is by grouping. Try this. Factorize this one by grouping. Group the first two terms, the last two terms.
I've explained the topic before.
Yeah, so what's common between the first two terms? M squared. So in bracket, A plus B. Then sign plus common N squared. In bracket, B plus A. So in the next step, you can write it as A plus B here itself, or take another step to write B plus A as A plus B. Both are the same. Then next step, into A plus B. Correct. Very good. Got this, all of you? Online children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, that's the next one. What's common? L, M plus L. What's common?
Amen.
L. Okay. Then
M plus
M plus M plus 1. Yeah. Then between the next two terms, what's common? 1 plus 1. So in the bracket, M plus, that's 1. No, that's 1. Yeah, this is L, that's 1. 1. So M plus 1, M plus 1. So M plus 1 into L plus 1. Correct? You don't have to open the bracket. You can do it directly. You don't have to show the step. Show it here also. Yeah, quick. What's the answer? Y plus?
9 into x plus z.
Correct. Y plus 9 into y plus z. See, y plus z, y plus z. So take that once, y plus z. And then write the other two terms in a bracket, y plus 9. That's all. Write this once and then write these two together. Yeah, try this.
Group பண்ணுதான் இப்படி bracket போடக்கூடாது. நான் நீங்க சொன்னேன் கீழே வேணா bracket போட்டுக்கோங்க. அங்க bracket போடக்கூடாது. meaning changes. போடலாம் தானே?
This one. I want to answer strength and long division. Usually 75 factorization.
One zero மிஸ் பண்ணிருக்கோம். அங்க 5 அந்த செகண்ட் ஸ்டெப்ல 5 டிவைட் பண்ணிச்சோம். 5 2s are 10. அப்புறம் 0 போட்டு தானே மறுபடியும் 2s are 10. 225 தப்பு. 2 0 ஷோ கிடையாது.
Completed? Completed? What's answer?
5y minus 2z.
Yeah, online children? Sahasra?
Ma'am, can you tell the answer?
Yeah.
Ma'am, y minus 4,
Hmm.
5y minus 2z.
Y minus 4, then
5y minus 2z.
okay. 5 minus 4, 5y minus 5y plus 2z or minus 2z? Yeah. You're almost there, Hasini. Very good. Okay. Let me work this. 5y squared minus 20y minus 8z plus 2yz. Okay, let's try to group the first two terms and the last two terms. So 5 and 25, y squared y bracket 5y into y, 5y squared minus 5y into 4, 5y into minus 4, minus 20y, minus 2z, open bracket, 4, minus into minus is plus y. Correct? Now, here this is y minus 4, while here it is 4 minus y. They are not the same. So what's the procedure? You need to write the first part as it is. Now, write the first part as it is. From here, you should change the signs. Minus 2z, write it as plus 2z. And in the bracket, this is plus 4, write it as minus 4. This is minus y, write it as plus y. Write the first part as it is, children. Write the first part as it is. Okay, now this minus 2z. Write it as plus 2z. Change the sign. And in the bracket also, change the signs for both the terms. It's plus 4. Or 4 minus y, write it as y minus 4. 4 minus y, write it as y minus 4. Now multiply and check. 2z into y plus 2zy. Yeah, that's what we have here. Plus 2zy. And when you multiply these two, minus 8z. That's what we have here. Minus 8z. So now 5y plus 2z. Or you can do this also first. Y minus 4 into 5y plus 2z. Yeah. Okay. So that last part, I think we didn't do it correctly. You said 5y minus 2z, right? Hasini, you also got that. Yeah. Please correct that. Please correct.
Is the book closer? Or you can talk more about it. So you complete this.
Yeah, do this. Okay, yeah. Answer?
5b plus 2 2y plus into 2y plus 1.
Correct. Got it? Yeah. Okay, next one. Yeah. Finished? Factors?
2y minus 3 into 3x plus
2y
Minus 3, 3x minus 2.
3x minus 2. Correct. So 6xy minus 4y plus 6 minus 9x. 2y open bracket 3x minus 2 plus 3 2 minus 3x. So next step, this is 3x minus 2. But in the other bracket, we have 2 minus 3x. 3x minus 2, 2 minus 3x. So change the signs. Plus 3 minus 3. And write 2 minus 3x as 3x minus 2. Now 3x minus 2, 3x minus 2. So 3x minus 2 into 2y minus 3. Fill in the blanks. Okay, so what is x the whole squared minus y the whole squared? X plus y into x minus y. So what is x?
a square
X plus y
b square
into x minus y. You can write the minus first and then plus. Yeah, now further, a squared minus b squared is a plus b into a minus b. This a squared plus b squared as it is. All right. B to the power 4 minus 81. B squared 9. So
P square minus 9.
p squared minus 9 into
P square plus
p squared plus 9.
P square.
Now this is again of the form p the whole squared minus 3 the whole squared into p squared plus 9. P the whole squared minus 3 the whole squared. So this is p
Plus C plus 3 into P minus 3.
p minus 3 into p squared plus 9. Correct.
Square
X squared
y square y plus x square.
y plus z squared. Correct?
Yes.
Write that again.
Yes.
Yeah. That is x squared minus y plus z the whole squared because 2 into 2 is 4. Yeah. Now, what is your a? X squared. What's your b?
Y plus z.
Y plus z the whole squared. Y plus z the whole squared. Your a is x squared and b is y plus z the whole squared.
So x square minus.
Yeah. I'll write from here. So it is a plus b. So I'll use a square bracket. A, this is a plus b into a minus, correct? A plus b into a minus b. Now here x squared plus, expand this,
Y plus
y squared plus, no, what is y plus z the whole square? Y squared plus 2 yz plus z squared. Y plus z the whole squared. A plus b the whole squared is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Y plus z the whole squared is y squared plus 2yz plus z squared. In the second bracket, don't expand this.
x square.
This is nothing but,
X square.
yeah, this is like x the whole squared minus y plus z the whole squared. X the whole squared minus y plus z the whole squared. So the first bracket as it is, nothing else. X squared plus y squared plus z squared plus 2yz into, here it will be,
X plus y plus 3.
yeah, x plus y plus z into x minus y plus z. So x squared plus y squared plus z squared plus 2yz, open the bracket, x plus y plus z into x minus y minus z. Right? Yeah, take down the first 3 and 4 and 5. Try them by yourself.
No, it's continuing. Okay. You want to finish the 14 or 15, and then I'm correct on the day within that time. And the first time I feel that. Is it?
That's the 10th one. Last of number. 10th one, the 12th one, continue. And then the 13th one, C.
Maybe I might do a month. And travel from 3. Think I call them about Anna, but you very much want to complete it, complete it. Be very good skills. You don't say.
How much I really take the test?
Sure, okay. We'll practice in which this is about to be. First time in done.
Was that?
அதுக்குதான் அந்த கொஸ்டினே we're talking about. Question practical, yeah. The square of other the first thing on the paper comes is here, the square of 30.
Minus
Okay.
So I wrote the formula.
So see now you can see long division. Random one. If this is some kind of long division is easy. What? Yeah, not problem. That's the
Yeah, so
answer.
I finished this one.
Oh, sorry.
It will finish. Thirty.
Try பண்ணி get
எல்லாமே different. 30 மட்டும் கிடைக்கும் right? It's a lot of things. And then 4, 3, 5, 6, 66.
But I'm using the long division method. Now check for them. Okay. You must take the primary numbers in the order. No. There is a 3 then up to 7 kilometers. Or 3 will then 3 power. It's very difficult. Or 3 will then 3 power. That's what I do. I don't know what I'm doing. Our teacher will come carry us in. Happen my own. After you will come to my job. So much of the combat is for too hard. Emotional expansion.
Completed? Ah, okay. First, empty bracket, square minus square, correct? Yeah, online children, fill in the brackets. Wake up, Sahasra. Akshita.
Square
Ah,
x square, ma'am.
x squared.
Minus x minus v square.
Correct. X minus z the whole square. Correct. Next step.
X to the
What is
power
it?
4.
What is, no, don't go back. What is A
X square.
and B?
X minus z to the whole power square.
X minus z the whole square. X minus z the whole squared. Yeah. Now write the next step using the identity which says A plus B into A minus B. A plus B. What is A?
X square
Plus B. Plus
b.
this is B. X minus z the whole square. This is A plus B into A.
X square plus
A minus B.
okay. A minus B x minus Z.
The whole square. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So where there is a plus, you cannot factorize that further. So you can expand this one. Expand this. X squared. Expand this one. What is x minus z the whole square? It's like a minus b the whole square. If a minus b the whole square is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, then what is x minus z the whole squared?
X plus x square minus 2xz plus z square.
Correct. Very good. Now this is of the form x the whole squared minus x minus z the whole squared. X squared, x the whole squared minus x minus z the whole squared. So which is again like a squared minus b squared. So what is a?
X square.
A is
Sorry, x.
and b?
X minus z
Correct.
whole square.
That is b squared.
Oh, okay.
A squared. See, this is a squared. So this is a. This is b squared. So this one is b. B is x minus z. A is x. Cover the square. Cover the squares. See, cover the square and the square. So this is a, this is b. Okay. I said where there's this plus sign, expand x minus z the whole square. Here you don't expand because you can again treat it as a squared minus b squared. Yeah, come back to the first bracket. X squared plus x squared is 2x squared plus minus 2xz plus z squared. X squared plus x squared is 2x squared, then minus 2xz plus z squared. Yeah.
X to the power square.
No, darling. See, that's of the form a squared minus b squared. So what's the answer? You must write the result in the next step. If it is a squared minus b squared, you should write a plus b into a minus b. That's why you've identified a and b, right? To write a plus b and a minus b.
X minus
Write a plus b first.
x plus x minus z. X minus z.
Very good. Next step.
2x square minus 2xz plus z square. X plus x minus z. X minus z
See, I didn't expect this from you. X minus x.
plus z.
Yeah. Yeah, next. Yeah. Yeah, next. X plus x is 2x minus z. And here x and minus x will get cancelled. So z. You can write that z in the beginning here. Z into 2x squared minus 2xz plus z squared into 2x minus z. Otherwise, you can stop here also. Yeah, complete the answer. Yeah. Completed? Yeah. Write down the question. I'll just go back to the previous slide. Done? Yeah. Easy? Okay. Okay. Next one. This is the next one. Yeah, fill in the blank. Fill in the spaces.
A square,
A squared,
B square,
B squared,
A square is C square.
A squared into B squared. So,
A minus B square.
yeah, so this is of the form x the whole squared minus 2 into x into y plus y the whole squared. The identity used here is x squared minus 2xy plus y squared can be written as x minus y the whole square. Here x is a squared and y is b squared. So the answer is x minus y the whole square. This is x minus this is y the whole square. Next, what is a squared minus b squared? Write the square as it is. What is a squared minus b squared?
A square plus B.
A plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. Write down. Oh. Completed? Online children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, this is splitting the middle term. Have we done these sums? I think yes. We've completed all this. Oh yeah, we've done this. Splitting the middle term, we already finished. Yeah. Try this. Using identities. Factorize using identities. Yeah, Akshita, what's the answer for the first one?
Ma'am?
Yeah, I want the answer for the first one.
5s plus 60 whole square, ma'am.
Very good. Yeah, fill in the spaces here. Fill in the spaces, Akshita.
5s.
Okay. Yeah.
30 st.
No. See, I'm here.
60, ma'am.
60.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, then it will be 2 into?
5s into 60.
Correct. So this of the form?
1 minute, ma'am. Ma'am, a plus b the whole square gives a square plus 2.
No. This expression is of the form?
Of the form means the identity.
A squared?
That's what I said, ma'am.
No, darling, you said a plus b the whole squared. You should say that it's of the form a squared plus 2ab plus b squared.
Okay, mom. Plus 2
This is
AB.
not of the form. Yeah, this is not of the form a plus b the whole square. This is of the form a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, which can be written as a plus b the whole square. Right?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So this is of the form a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, which can be written as a plus b the whole square, where a is 5s and b is 60. So the answer is 5s plus 60 the whole square, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Good. Do the next one, all of you. Finished? Good, Akshita. Next one. Two. P squared plus 81q squared minus 18pq. So this should be, the terms must be rearranged. P squared minus 18pq plus 81q squared. Now this is of the form a the whole squared minus 2 into a into b plus b the whole squared, correct? Correct? Right? Yeah, so p 9q p into 9q. So when you multiply 2 into p, 2p into 9q, 18pq. So this is of the form a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, which can be written as a minus b the whole squared, where a is P and B is
9Q.
9Q. So the answer is, because it's of the form A squared minus 2AB plus B squared, the answer is A minus B the whole square. B minus 9Q the whole square. Correct? Yeah, we'll do this and wind up the session for today.
Already completed, we have 4 things to have. 14 okay. Oh, then you went back and I don't know, just pick it up, please. In the committee, they must kind of fill up and so I said, don't go ahead, it not a complete time. Oh, but you didn't complete.
Yeah, completed this. Other costs practice.
So the voting, but maybe you have some questions to complete. Or just this one you have to complete. Okay. Okay. So ultimately and you just went ahead. Now you finished 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and now go get it. So if we either plan in our parting analysis, you check on the check. You may have not been more. Last week we finished, yeah.
Correct. Taking your things, no? Yeah. Good night.
This looks tricky, but
Yeah. That's exceed. Okay, so 16a squared b squared minus 25 by 4a squared is equal to, so fill in the spaces, 4ab 5 by 2 2a. Oh, now the government coming on. Correct, Aditya? Why? என்ன ப்ராப்ளம் ஒரு நிமிஷம் என்னது இங்க மைனஸ் 2 டேர்ம் தானே இருக்கு only 2 terms, right? So it is of the form x squared minus y squared, x squared minus y squared. So நான் empty brackets போட்டிருக்கேன் empty. இப்போ fill in the brackets. 4 4s are 16, a into a is a squared, b into b is b squared, minus 5 squared is 25 by 2 into 2 is 4, a into a is a squared, is equal to, now this is of the form x squared minus y squared. This is of the form This is the form x squared minus y squared, which should be written as x plus y into x minus y, where x is 4ab and y is pi by 2a, pi by 2a. So x plus y, this is x plus this is y into x minus y. All right? Yeah. Yeah. Complete this one, children. Completed? All right, children. So that's it. That's it for today's session. Thank you so much, online children. You can leave the call. Good night.